It's emerged that an Irish man who has been in ICE detention since last September was the subject of a bench warrant in Ireland after failing to appear in court facing drugs-related charges. The warrant for Seamus Cullison was issued in April 2009, 1 month after he moved to the United States.
He could be deported any day, according to his attorney. Married to a US citizen, running a small business, and in the process of applying for a green card. But the overstay of a 90-day visa and now revelations of a bench warrant in Ireland after failing to show up for a court sitting makes things complicated for Seamus Cullison. He left Ireland in 2009 and was facing drug-related charges, something his attorney was not aware of yesterday.
Mr. Cullison has been in the United States since March of 2009 and will not be aware of any warrant that happened after he came to the United States. So warrant is not a conviction. Warrant is not a criminal entry.
Mr. Cullison was in his early 20s at the time of the alleged incident. Now 38 in the US, he has a new life and hadn't been in trouble with authorities up until his detention by ICE. It's a detention which is taking its toll on his loved ones.
This whole thing has just been so overwhelming. Life has just been on hold for the past 5 months. And I want Seamus home where he belongs.
US Homeland Security has less sympathy. Mr. Cullison was given due process according to Assistant Secretary of State Tricia McLaughlin, who said he chose custody over deportation to Ireland. For Seamus Cullison, his 2009 move proved the key to a new life. But what was once his land of opportunity is now a land of uncertainty. Gavin O'Callaghan, RTE News.